I have a very long history of teaching about language learning and teaching about language teaching. In spring of 2020, I took my first course at YIVO. And the rest is history. So that's now 4 years later, and I'm happy to say that Yiddish has basically taken over my life. And the natural thing was to build up to the being in the Zoom-It program. So here I am. It has been overwhelmingly wonderful in many ways and also very humbling. What I've gotten from the summer program that I wasn't expecting was a view to a much larger world of Yiddishkeit than I thought was going to be available to me. And I feel like I have a whole course of study based on what has happened this summer that I'm taking home with me to keep learning. What adults are looking for in a language class is a place where they can have friends and feel that they're connected to other people through a common endeavor. I feel a responsibility somehow to do what I can to promote the teaching and learning of Yiddish. So one thing I've loved about the program is watching the young people, the college and the undergraduates and graduate students who are the people who are the Yiddishists of the future, watching how fast they learn, how smart they are, and how varied their interests are. It's really inspiring.